In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to write some basic HTML code. I have my lab2 folder with one index.html that is blank, ready to go. If you don't know how to open your folder, let me show you how. In the prior video, we had cloned a GitHub repository, created the lab2 folder and an index.html file, and that is what you want. You want to access that, so let me again show you. So file, open folder, and then you go find the folder that you cloned. This is the one for me. Select the folder, and then it'll bring up all the contents of that folder. Then you click OK. So my folder lab2 is there with index.html, and then outside there is a readme.md that was created when I created the repository. So we are all good to go. So click on index.html. That is your file. So the very first tag that we use is called doc type HTML. So this indicates that the HTML is, this is an HTML document. It's like a meta tag that is used by browsers to know what type of document this is. So that is going to be your very first tag. All HTML documents should follow this head and body. And all of these should be enclosed in HTML. Okay, so the way it goes is the HTML, open and close within that head and body. Okay, so this, you have to have this basic skeleton created before you do anything else. So always make it a practice. You can even make like a copy of this and open it every time. So this is your index.html. So there are certain basic tags. So this is a tag. So a tag has a less than symbol followed by a specific text followed by greater than symbol, right? So they always come in pairs with certain exceptions. So these two are pair, these two are pair. The good thing about Visual Studio Code is, let me show you again. See, I am only doing half the work. When I put the closing tag, it creates the end tag for me like this. When I close the tag, it creates the end tag for me. So that way, it's good that I don't forget, and that means that I'm not going to have any trouble. All of the content that you create will go into the body. Title of the page will go into the head. So let me show you what I mean by the title. If you are going to include CSS file or JavaScript file, those all will go into the head. Any other meta tags also will go into the head, which we will see later. So today let us just see one thing called title. Index page for lab2. So let's say that's your title. And then in the body, so again, this title is a predefined tag name. It is not just anything that we type. These are predefined tag names. As you work with HTML more and more, you'll become comfortable with that. So we saw title, and then we are going to put just one paragraph here. So paragraph tag is P. This is a new HTML page, just some text. Okay, so now I'm going to save. I have the doctype.html, doctype HTML created. I have HTML open and close tags. Within HTML, I have the head, and then I have the body. Inside the head, I put a title. Inside the body, I'm adding a paragraph. So now let's save our file. Go to the folder where you created all the files. So you have index. So right click on it, and then say open with, and then choose Chrome. For this class, I want you all to use Google Chrome because there is like browser to browser weirdness that happens and I don't want to deal with it. Okay, so I just want you to like pay attention. So here is my page. In the top, what you see is the title. Right here, what you see is the title, and this is the body. So my title, my body are showing. This is extremely important you do this step. The reason being, if you just keep coding and you don't test your changes, by the time you test, you don't know what works and what doesn't work. So I believe in incremental coding. Do couple lines at a time, test it. If there are any bugs, fix it. Then move on to adding more code. So in this video, we have seen the basic structure. We did a title and a paragraph. I will see you in the next video with more content. Thank you.